Top 15 Newest Cars 2023. Despite the fact that buying a new car has recently been incredibly difficult due to protracted delays and high markups, manufacturers still have a ton of new items that will be leaving their factories and entering dealerships this year. For today's video, we'll be talking about the top 15 newest cars for 2023. Interested to know what these cars are? Just keep on watching. Number 1. 2023 BMW XM. BMW debuted the XM concept last year, complete with wild styling, a lavish cabin, and a plug-in hybrid powertrain capable of 750 horsepower. Now, that concept will become a reality. Expect the same 750 horsepower and 737 IBFT from a new V8 PHEV when the XM reaches production sometime this year, going on sale as 2023 model. No word on pricing. Number 2. 2023 Lexus RZ. The RZ crossover, an RX sister powered by batteries, will be one of Lexus' first EVs as the firm electrifies its lineup. The Toyota BZ4X and the Subaru Solterra should use the same ETNGA platform as the RZ. However, it probably has a larger battery and a longer range. Number 3. 2023 Kia Niro. By 2023, the Kia Niro underwent a significant redesign. This upgrade keeps both the PHEV and full EV models in production and features a new interior and contemporary interior. However, the base Niro has the same 1.6-liter hybrid system from the previous year, producing 139 horsepower. Within the next few months, the hybrid should be available for purchase in the US. Number 4. 2023 Honda HR-V. Since making its US debut in 2016, the Honda HR-V crossover hasn't seen any significant updates. However, the subcompact is getting a significant makeover to 2023 model year, which should offer fresh exterior styling as well as ideally new engine and interior options. This modest crossover should cost roughly $23,000 to purchase. Number 5. 2023 Acura Intergra. Pre-orders for the Acura Intergra will be accepted beginning in March. The legendary moniker made a comeback in November with historical aesthetic cues and a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. When Intergra arrives in dealerships later this year, customers will be able to select between an automatic and a refillable 6-speed manual transmission. Number 6. 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. With Tonale's debut, Alfa Romeo added one more crossover to its lineup. The Tonale, the brand's first plug-in hybrid car, sits below the larger Stelvio and has a turbocharged 1.3-liter inline-4 engine with battery help that produces 272 horsepower and 30 miles of electric range. Later this year, Alfa will begin selling the redesigned Tonale, although no price has been announced. Number 7. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. The long-awaited C8 Z06 goes on sale later this year, boasting 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet, thanks to a new 5.5-liter DOHC V8. That means this super coupe can rev to a ridiculous 8,600 RPM and will hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Chevrolet will announce official pricing closer to the Z06 on-sale date, but it should start at around $85,000. Number 8. 2023 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first SUV goes on sale later this year, and while we don't know much about it, rumors hint at a plug-in hybrid twin-turbo V6 borrowed from the 296 GTB sports car, where that engine produces an insane 818 horsepower and 546 pound-feet. This could be one fast SUV. Ferrari will release more details closer to its on-sale date later this year. Number 9. 2023 Ford Ranger or Raptor. The new Ford Ranger made its debut first outside of the US, but will soon see the small truck home. The truck headed for the US should have the same turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, albeit with some improvements after a thorough makeover that includes an updated turbo diesel engine abroad. The Ranger Raptor will also make its US debut, the most significant development. Number 10. 2023 Genesis G90. The new 2023 Genesis G90 has already been seen up close and is extremely magnificent. But soon the high-end flagship will arrive at dealers, giving everyone a chance to see its stunning outside and opulent inside. There are few details about the engine, but perhaps the twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 from the manufacturer is standard. Number 11. 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 sedan will carry over the sharp edges of the crossover Ioniq 5. The distinctive 4-door can be seen in spy images, but its potential power won't be known until it makes its public debut. According to rumors, Hyundai is planning to install a 77.4 kWh battery instead of the 72.6 kWh pack found in the Ioniq 5, which would result in more power and a more extended driving range. Number 12. 2023 Nissan Z. The Nissan Z, a retro-inspired sports car that debuts in late 2021 and formally goes on sale later this year, with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine capable of a powerful 400 horsepower, has to be one of the most eagerly anticipated vehicles of the new year, and the pricing needs to be in the vicinity of $35,000. Number 13. 2023 Toyota Sequoia. The new Toyota Sequoia debuted last month, boasting a stylish exterior design, a fully upgraded interior, and a brand new engine. Under hood is a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter hybrid V6 that makes 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet, paired to a standard 10-speed automatic transmission. The new Sequoia goes on sale this summer, with pricing being announced closer to that on-sale date. Number 14. 2023 Polestar 3. Polestar is adding 1 or 3 more starts to its repertoire. The new Polestar 3 will join the existing Polestar 2 sedan as the company's first electric crossover. The Polestar 3 crossover should take inspiration from the 2 sedan single and dual motor configurations. But until the EV is on sale this year, we won't know all the specifics. Number 15. 2023 Toyota GR Corolla. Toyota is fulfilling our demand for a hot hatchback with the new GR Corolla, despite the fact that we won't be getting the GR Yaris here in the US. When the GR Corolla makes its premiere later this year, it may feature roughly 270 horsepower and a manual transmission, thanks to rumors that it would have the same turbocharged 1.6 3-cylinder engine as the Yaris. So, which car would you like to buy? And which car do you consider to be the best for 2023? Please let me know by leaving a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!